about the wind, but just want to catch a little video of them bridging and go out for it. Water from early out. It's a bit cloudy and a bit windy. I guess you could call it a bit stormy this morning. So like the trees being blown by the wind. So yeah, kind of stormy this morning, water a little choppy, but fishermen them still are good. You see them when they come back to get a couple of pound of fish and do a thing in there. I don't know if it's still fish, not real fish. Alright, today we're going to do a little cooking video for you. Alright, and as you can guess by looking at the stuff here on the counter, some fish, fresh fish I get this morning, some fresh seasoning, and some Irish potato and a green banana. Alright. So we are going to do some steamed fish today. Today is a very kind of gloomy and bleak looking kind of day. So a little system of pass through where they cause a weather fight, you know. So we are going to do a thing and let's see what I go on. Let me just go ahead and tell you what we have. So as I said before, we have some Irish potato, we have the pepper, scotch bonnet, we have green banana, some carrots, scallion, garlic, some onion, thyme, okra. If you're doing steamed fish in Jamaica and you don't have your okra, it's almost like a steamed fish is not complete. And you have your tomato and sweet pepper, right? Oh, and last but not least, we have these little grains here. And those are pimento, allspice. Yeah man, good in any kind of meat. Fish, I always make a thing taste better. Soup, same way. So, yeah. We'll get them thing here, chop up and thing and put on the pot on the stove and get it together, alright? Alright people, so I'll put here and put banana them in. I don't really want no dumpling or rice and anything, right? So I just say 2 green banana them and maybe one of the Irish them. Just so get the banana them in the pot now. Alright, and one Irish. Everything else, the rest of the Irish, they'll go in the pot with the fish them. Alright, I'm going to add something to this pot there. Yeah, who know why I add that to the pot? If you know, just give me a comment down below. Alright, so see the people have all of them fresh seasons are cut up and ready for going in the pot. So I'm going to do that right now. Yeah, I got all the fresh season of the pot with the fish them and make the steamed fish get on the way. Fresh season is a must when I have steamed fish, when I go to steamed fish. Powder season, yes, a little bit, but the majority of your taste and flavor will come from fresh seasoning. Alright, so onion, the hot pepper, scotch bonnet, yeah, the sweet pepper, tomato, onion. Yeah, them places your real flavor will come from. And you don't have to try complicate it too much. The simpler the steamed fish, the better. Alright, so I just add a little bit of oil to the pot. I'm just gonna make sure say the whole at the bottom coat now. You don't want too much oil in there, just enough to coat the bottom. Remember now, steam, you go steam the fish and fry or fry it, so you don't need a whole lot of oil. Add the fish. Alright, so we have some snapper, and then we have 3 fried fish. That we are working with today. People, so I do not have a tripod, so I have to work with what I have, right? Alright, so now let's start at the ingredients. For powder seasoning, people, I don't really like use a whole lot of powder seasoning when I'm cooking, so try to keep it as basic as possible. Just some regular salt. Remember now, this is fish from the ocean, so you don't need a lot of salt. A little bit of Maggi, all purpose. Once again, not too much. And now I'm gonna use a knife to add the pepper. Yeah man, I have to show the respect that we the hot pepper and let's do it. Alright, now remember people, you don't need a lot of water. Remember say steam, you're going to steam the fish. You're not boiling it. Alright. So just add a little bit of water to that. Now we're gonna add the lid. Put some more heat on it and make it go and do its thing. Banana them look soft too. Like you need no whole heap of cooking. I'm gonna let that go and cook same way. That are the fish. So just add all them thing there. So I got add the pimento in there as well. So just 5 minutes half about. Also I go and feed. As you can see, we're well on our way. What I like to do is just give the pot a little shape like that, make everything settle where it settle. Yeah? Everything fall into place where it fall into place. Food pot here. Banana them like them cook to me. Turn off my pot this so. Alright. Oh, in case everybody I wonder what they in the pot over here, so some cornmeal porridge from earlier today. Get up early in the morning and make that. And this now for lunch. Probably even dinner too, come to think of it. Cause I think I'm me alone I go eat a fish out there and by the time the lady come home from work, maybe she not even go bother want to cook, so something we there for everybody eat for dinner same speed. And the rain is going. Yes, I think it is ready now. I'll go ahead and clean off the fire. Come on, ready. Alright, fish alone first. still hot enough. Yeah, man. Anybody who cook this know what them a do. I wonder who cook it. Alright people, so that left outside. That is what is left out of the fish. Scraps. Yeah man. Once more, thumbs up to the chef.